to bed and you have a big hopes and you big dreams, then when you're gonna wake up, you're gonna find a major profit. But unfortunately, it doesn't happen and the account is completely wiped out. In this video, I'm going to show you how to avoid those mistakes, what should you do, and how basically traders fall into many traps when they trade in the night profile or the overtime. So let's get right into subject. So what we're looking at right now is the Nasdaq contract, and those of you who know me in my videos, I'm usually trading the Nasdaq, either scalping it or swinging it, majors on the scalp. And what we should avoid in this video, the MO should be very clear. So like my previous videos, you always have to understand risk management. Of course, a lot of us talk about trading as a business, which is one perspective. Some psychological individuals will say it's the right move, some will say not. But if you respect the market, understand how to trade it correctly, and when you basically trade, you need to understand a trader job is risk management. You should not risk more than 1 to 2% of your portfolio, and of course stop loss is non-negotiable. So we're going from basically, we're looking at the bird's eye view. We understand the total trend of the day. The total trend of the day is still an uptrend. We see basically how the market reached out this major supply a couple of days ago, started to climb and make a small correction on the, basically what we see over here is a demand pool that basically was the supply. It turns into demand. The market is keep on rising, rallying, and resting on whatever was the high, the last all-time high. And what we expect it to do, of course, we take a long position from a specific place, and basically understanding the within the day what's the favorite position by the trend. That was, of course, is going to be a long position. We drill down, going down to basically the 4 hours interval. With the 4 hours interval, we already see the specific pool areas, basically the order blocks that the market can potentially hit during the night or during the day, and we have marked some of those over here. We already see how the market behaves when you reach into those demand area. We see how basically the price is making a correction. There's a doji candle which symbolize call it uncertainty between buyers and sellers. We have another additional green candle which is now full, basically doesn't give us a confirmation to still get into a long position. So within the 4 hours interval, we still see we are in the we're in a short mindset. Of course, by the day we saw we're in the long mindset. So we have to properly risk make a risk management to not to waste our portfolio. We basically make the right call it a risk management value evaluation and get to the right position.